In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to streamline financial processes between Dext and the Xero accounting software. If you're looking to enhance the efficiency of managing your finances, this step-by-step guide will help you integrate these two powerful tools seamlessly. Now let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero website and you'll be greeted by the login page. Enter your email and password and then click on the login button. Always ensure that your login credentials are secure to keep your financial data protected. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. The dashboard is your central hub on Xero, where you can access various features and manage your accounts effortlessly. Look for the connected apps icon, as this will be your gateway to enhancing Xero's capabilities. Click on this icon and then proceed to find more apps on the Xero App Store. This is where you can discover a variety of applications that integrate with Xero. In the search bar on the Xero App Store, type in Dext. Dext is a great tool for streamlining your financial processes as it helps automate data extraction from receipts and invoices. When you find the Dext app, go ahead and click on it to get more information. Next, you'll want to click on the Get This App button. This initiates the process of integrating Dext with your Xero account. You'll then be prompted to select the organization you'd like to connect. Carefully choose the organization you're working with to ensure accurate linkage. After selecting the organization, you'll need to click on Allow Access. This step is essential as it authorizes Dext to connect with your Xero account, enabling seamless data flow between the two applications. Granting this access ensures that all necessary permissions are in place for a smooth integration. Once that's done, you will be directed to select your type of account. This is important for setting up the specifics of your financial management through Dext. Follow the on-screen instructions, which might prompt you to enter additional information such as your phone number for verification purposes. Finally, click on Sign Up to complete the process. Once you see the confirmation that your Xero account is integrated with Dext, you are all set. Your financial processes are now streamlined, making it easier to manage your accounts and track your financial data in real time. Now that you've successfully linked Dext and Xero, you can enjoy the benefits of an automated workflow. This integration will save you time, reduce manual errors, and give you more control over your financial processes. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy accounting!